Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at the Amdigger excavator. Amdigger brand, your trusted partner for integrated construction machinery solutions worldwide. Usher tongue crawler excavator, gold mining specific, key features with specifications. This crawler excavator is tailor-made for the unique challenges of gold mining operations, combining high performance, durability, and safety to excel in harsh underground or open-pit gold mining environments. With a rated operating weight of 22 tons, it offers the perfect blend of lifting power and agility to handle gold ore extraction, haulage support, and site preparation tasks.